So to first remove the thermal paste, I'm going to remove it from the heat sink. So I'm just going to take 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. Do a little bit of it here on just a normal paper towel. Just got to give it a bit of a rub here. Use a little bit more. There we go. It's probably as clean as that's going to get. So after I do it with that, I'm just going to make sure that there's no lint on here, take, like a cloth that you would use to clean your phone or something. Just go ahead and give it a little wipe. So now I'm going to take another paper towel, because I'm now going to be directly touching the processor. My static wrist strap on. I had my static straps on down there, so gotta take precautions. You can see it's already getting pretty clean there. That's what I thought. If you just let it set for a little bit, like soak it a little and just let it set for a minute, it cleans it right up. Intel, oh, it's an i5 2320, it looks like, 3 gigahertz. Huh. Interesting. So now I'll be going ahead and applying thermal paste and reapplying the heat sink and everything in just a minute.